Some of you are tired, not because you're lazy, but because you've been pouring yourself into people who can't even hold what you give. And no matter how much love, patience, or advice you pour, it just leaks through the cracks of their inconsistency. Being the strong one sounds noble until you realize that strength without balance turns into silent exhaustion. You're the friend who checks in, the one who remembers birthdays, the one who forgives faster than you should. But ask yourself, when you're the one drowning, who's pulling you out of the water?
People who only offer you leaks don't value the weight of your presence. You speak, and they half listen.
You give, and they forget. You sacrifice, and they vanish. That's not partnership. That's slow emotional robbery.
Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to get more of this, now.
You cannot keep setting yourself on fire just to keep people warm who wouldn't even strike a match for you. That's not loyalty. That's self-destruction dressed as kindness.
And I know, walking away feels selfish, but protecting your energy is not selfish. It's survival. You don't owe unlimited refills to people who keep spilling everything you give.
Here's your reminder.
Real love, real friendship, real connection doesn't drain you, it sustains you.
So stop pouring into people who only offer you leaks.
And watch how much lighter your spirit feels when your giving finally has a home.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share this video.